Hi everyone! Do you have a passion for art and love everything cute? Then you're in the right place. I'm Miss Lacy and welcome to my class. In this class, you will learn how to draw kawaii breakfast foods. I've been working online as a teacher since 2019. Art is my passion and so is teaching, which is why I obtained my master's degree in teaching. I've also spent many years building my skill in art. Like you, I also love art and everything cute, and that's why I'm super excited to be teaching you how to draw kawaii breakfast foods. In this class, I'm going to share tips on how to create your own kawaii illustrations. These tips can be applied to almost any type of art and will guide you on your art journey. During this class, you can use traditional tools or digital tools. It's your choice. We will start out by talking about what is kawaii, and then we'll talk about how to use a reference to create art. After that, we will learn how to identify which shapes make up our foods, how to simplify them, and how to make them cute. Then I will show you many examples using a step-by-step method. I hope this helps inspire you and also gives you an insight to my process. This class is for anyone of any age who desires to draw cute things. This class is great for beginners and is easy to understand and simple to follow. After the instruction, we will end the class with a class project. The class project is where we will all design our own kawaii breakfast foods. I'm super excited and I look forward to seeing you in class. So let's get started.